Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today, I'm thrilled to share something very special with you. 25 free Christmas Amigurumi crochet patterns that will bring a touch of magic to your festive season. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, these adorable patterns are perfect for creating delightful decorations, gifts, or even toys for the little ones. So grab your yarn and let's get crafting. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. So, whether you want to decorate your home, make gifts, or simply enjoy some relaxing crochet time, these 25 free Christmas amigurumi patterns will help you craft a festive season filled with warmth and cheer. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to check the link in the description for all 25 patterns. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Happy crocheting, and may your holidays be filled with creativity and joy. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Until next time, happy crafting!